Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how I would invest $3,000 into an Amazon FBA product if I was just starting, but with the knowledge that I had. If that sounds like something you're interested in watching, be sure to stick around to the end. Be sure to like and subscribe if you happen to be new. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. All right, so we're really just going to be going straight for what you're here for, so we waste as little time as possible. The thing that I would do if I had $3,000 to invest into Amazon FBA is I would sell a customized wooden product. Now that's very specific. You were probably expecting some kind of like cliche advice like, oh, go for this, low competition. I don't know who talks like that. Not probably anyone, but selling a customized wooden product. Now, very specific advice. Paul, what information do you have to back that up? Why are you telling me that? So I have experience selling wooden products, first of all. I have a public storefront that has been public for over a year now. I sell a macrame shelf, 2 macrame shelves actually. Some of them pop in and out of stock. But that's like kind of a whole big case study that I've almost done that officially, but just the fact that it's public is treating it like a case study. So with that product, I realized something about selling in the decor space and specifically selling wooden decor. Right, so shelves, the whole shelf parts of it are wooden. There's little wooden beads on it and stuff. Wooden things are so easy to customize, which then makes it very easy to differentiate, which then raises the barrier to entry for people who just buy off of Alibaba and sell on Amazon. Simple as that, right? Hopefully this is clicking for some of you. You're like, oh yeah, I've tried to customize metal things, plastic things. Those require molds. Wood, you just cut it for the most part. This, you want to change something about that? No problem. We'll change anything you want about these frames, right? Any of this stuff. You want to change the shape of those? You want to make these into clogs or something? What is a clog? Oh, that's the Dutch thing. I meant to say crock. All right, this is a weird video. Stuff like this has to be usually hand carved, so a little bit more difficult, still doable. Anything like this, right? You want to make it 4 tiers high. We want to use a different colored rope, and we want to use a different stained wood, and we want the wood to be wider, but we want it to be more narrow. No problem. No molding fees, no customization fees. We'll get it done for you. That's the kind of answers that I get from suppliers when I'm working with this. And again, this is real advice from someone who really does this. I really work with wooden products, and you could go look at one of my wooden products right now on my storefront, Java products. Go ahead and look it up. Just don't click on my ads. In this, it's very similar to this product actually right here. They're doing $50,000 per month. Hanging shelves are a very popular thing on Amazon. But again, if you understand that target demographic, I could talk a while about that. Specifically, this is more just like the kind of market I would invest into. You can understand the changes that they want you to make, why they want you to make those changes, forward that information to the supplier, make a sample, check out the sample, order this guy's product, see how they compare. And then if yours is better in the ways that the customers stressed were important, you're in business. Literally, you could go start your business, you sell that product. It works with far more than just that product. This little bartender kit, right? It's not doing that much, but let's look really quick. I'm sure we could find something that's doing really well. A box. Yeah, only so much you can do with a box. But either way, even if we can't find another specifically good product, here's a really good one. A wood beaded tray. Farmhouse tray. That's very specific. Very, very specific. They have less than 200 reviews. They're selling almost 200 of these a month. I mean, literally, you want to change the size of the beads. You want to change the color of the beads. You want to change the color of the tray. All of that is possible because of the nature of the material that you're working with. The medium is wood. Wood can be cut. It can be glued. It can be nailed. All of those things. So I would literally, this advice is what I would do, right? I would literally do this. I have $3,000 to start my Amazon business. I would find a wooden product that here's another part that's going to shock you, that doesn't sell that well. Something that maybe sells $3,000-$4,000 a month in revenue, More importantly, I'm focused on the sales, maybe 4 or 5 units a day. I mean, if I have $3,000, I have to really be thinking about that. I don't want to even sell a product that sells 20,000 in revenue. I cannot keep up with that, right? I can't produce it, especially when I'm customizing a product. After my samples, my photography, I'm not going to be able to keep up with that. Just sell something you can keep in stock. It stays in stock. It's a evergreen product. It's not seasonal. Maybe try a wooden product in the home decor space. It doesn't have to be home decor either. It could be tools and home improvement. You guys get what I'm saying. That's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe down below if you happen to be new. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much.